As sound waves travel towards the body, they reach the outer ear, a cup-like shape called the pinna, which gathers them up and drives them into the ear canal towards the eardrum, also known as the tympanic membrane. When the waves strike this taut membrane, it vibrates, while an air-filled cavity from the middle ear equalizes the pressure, allowing the eardrum to move freely back and forth. This tiny flap of skin acts just like a diaphragm in a speaker, and also serves to protect the inner ear from exposure to loud, low-pitched noises. But this pressure alone is not enough to force the sound wave through the ear and onto the cochlea. Here it needs the help of the ocelles, 3 tiny bones in the middle ear known as the hammer, anvil and stirrup. Named for their shape, they work together like tiny levers to increase the sound level that will eventually reach the inner ear. Once the vibrations have entered the inner ear, they pass through 2 of the most intricate parts of the hearing mechanism, the cochlea and the vestibular labyrinth. The cochlea is a fluid-filled, snail-shaped structure no bigger than a pea, where sound vibrations are converted into electrical impulses by tiny specialised hair-like cells known as the cilia. These impulses then travel along the auditory nerve and into the brain. The brain contains information processing centres on both the left and the right called the auditory cortex, where the impulses are digested and made sense of. Comparison and analysis of these signals is what enables us to distinguish sound, suppress background noise, and allow us to focus on the sound we want to hear. Yet, according to scientists, how we hear is still very much of a mystery, and is made all the more astonishing by the fact that such a complicated series of processes takes place in such a small area of the body. And in a world continually challenging us with its complex acoustic environment, nature has designed an amazing organism which has bestowed upon human beings the opportunity to react to our surroundings with a heightened degree of perception and stealth.